Welcome to Ghashful International Creative Academy, where we transform dreams into reality through our exceptional IELTS preparation courses. Whether you're a poor student or a mid-level learner, our academy is designed to meet your unique needs and help you succeed. Are you a student who struggles with financial constraints? At Ghashful International Creative Academy, we understand the challenges you face. We offer affordable courses and scholarship options to ensure that everyone has a chance to excel. Hear from Rk Mahim, who overcame financial difficulties and achieved a high IELTS score with our help. For those of you who are already at a mid-level proficiency, our academy provides the resources and guidance to push you further. Our advanced courses are tailored to help you achieve the highest scores possible. Listen to Samsul Arefin Sami, a mid-level student who achieved his dream score with our expert support. Regardless of your background, the key to success lies in your dedication and hard work. At Ghashful International Creative Academy, we believe in you. Our experienced instructors, comprehensive study materials, and supportive community are here to guide you every step of the way. Believe in yourself and let us help you achieve your goals. Join Ghashful International Creative Academy today and take the first step towards a brighter future. Whether you're looking to improve your English skills or achieve a high IELTS score, we are here to support you. Enroll now and start your journey with us.